Today we're making 2-ingredient keto-friendly bread out of something unexpected. It's cottage cheese, but keep watching. At some point, someone's gonna come up with a new ingredient of the year of 2024.
Don't know what that could be.
We don't know what that is, and we are begging you to come up with that ingredient right now. 1 year was cauliflower, the next was egg whites, and now it's the cottage cheese era. We're trend followers, we're not trendsetters. Other than our travels, where we made that recipe up by ourselves. Anyway, so this recipe actually has 3 ingredients, but one of them is water. So we're calling it a 2-ingredient recipe. And this recipe has actually been going around for a couple years now, and people have been making different variations of it. We just thought, you know, we haven't tried this recipe before, and we thought we could make a really cool keto French toast out of it. Hopefully. We actually, a couple of years ago, we tried a egg white bread that had like cream of tartar in it, and it tasted okay. And so when we saw the addition of the cottage cheese in it, we thought, I definitely want to try that. But first, we're going to talk about the sponsor of this video, Armra Colostrum. So I have been on a journey to improve my skin health and my overall health, and that is where Armra Colostrum comes in. Sarah and I have been taking Armra Colostrum for about 4 months now. We decided to start taking Armra because we read the amazing testimonials on their website. Some people like to take their Armra throughout the day, but I like to take 3 scoops at once. You can put it in your water or your cold shakes or other foods like that, or you could scoop it directly into your mouth. And that is actually great for your oral microbiome. Colostrum is a dairy bioactive food that has over 400 nutrients from grass-fed cows. Armra Colostrum is the most potent, bioavailable, sustainably sourced colostrum on the market. It's amazing for your gut, great for your hair, skin, and nails, and great for your focus, mood, and energy. I've noticed that my skin is getting better and I have a ton of baby hairs growing in. Armra Colostrum comes in different flavors, but we prefer the unflavored canister, but they do also have options for on the go. Sarah and I encourage you to read the testimonials for yourself and try Armra Colostrum using our special link, tryarmra.com/ketotwins, and you're going to get 15% off of your first order. So what you're gonna be needing for this recipe is cottage cheese. We're gonna be using good old-fashioned Daisy cottage cheese. We heard that it's a good idea to use like the full-fat cottage cheeses for this recipe, and so this is the 4% version that we're using today. You're also gonna be needing egg white powder, and you're going to be needing water. So first off, we're going to be blending our cottage cheese to make it like a smooth consistency so it spreads throughout the recipe easily. I'm gonna blend this 1 cup of cottage cheese because that's what the recipe calls for, but I do believe that you lose some on the size of the NutriBullet, so I'm gonna add a touch more, a couple tablespoons, just so that we have
exactly 1 cup.
Well, no loss. I just want to make sure all of it's at the bottom where the blades are. I need to work out more. We often get asked about our exercise routine. It's this. Next up, we have 1 cup of egg white powder. We're gonna mix in 1 cup of water and we're going to beat it until stiff peaks form. That's kind of weird. There's our peak. Next up, we're gonna line our bread pan with parchment paper. I heard that the easiest way to do this is to like crinkle it and wet it. You learn something new every day. We got stiff peaks and limp parchment, I don't know. Okay, now we have preheated our oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna fold in this blended cottage cheese. Here we go. It just looks like a puffy cloud.
I'm excited for French toast though.
Yes.
I haven't had that in a long time.
Right. Probably don't wanna like overblend this because then you're gonna like deflate it.
Right.
This reminds me of the other bread where I was trying to make a fancy design.
I would also like a fancy design.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It fit.
Whatever. KT, just put KT in it.
K.
Yeah.
T. All right. Let's stick this baby in the oven for 30 minutes. I don't know. It doesn't look very promising. OMG. Wow. Some people said it collapsed, so if you kind of crack the oven and let it cool down over 10 minutes,
I've seen people do this.
And then we're gonna start making some very simple keto French toast. It's kind of sticking a little bit. Get out of there. It's kind of dense. I just eyeball it.
Maybe let it sit in there?
I am.
Okay.
It doesn't look like it's absorbing. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Get in there. Come on now. Maybe I'll poke some holes in it. I don't know the mechanics behind this bread. I'm just kind of going.
Poke this one. It
don't
looks like it's
see-
reducing a little
Really?
bit.
Because I was about to say it doesn't look like it's reducing in
Oh.
volume at all. This is all an experiment, people. Charlie looks concerned.
He feels the vibe of uncertainty.
Yeah, he doesn't like it.
You're okay.
Serve it with some more butter on top and some, we're gonna put Chalk Zero, like the maple syrup. We haven't ever tried that product before, so, and we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna try it. All right, well, Alex just said it tastes like foam, so what? He's up there eating it.
He was kind of sad that there was no French toast. We should try it without it first.
It literally,
It did not absorb. Let me get some. Maybe we need to leave it longer to
I
absorb.
should have stabbed it more, but I put a lot of holes in there, so.
It looks pretty good from the outside. It just did not absorb the actual consistency of the egg. But maybe if we had soaked it for longer, it would have absorbed it. Just keep. No, we're not trying that first. We're trying the actual.
It's like a Mr. Eraser sponge. I love those. I use them all the time.
Very similar consistency to like other egg white breads that we've tried.
I mean, it's not repulsive. I like the insides better than I like the edges.
Could you use this as a regular sandwich? I don't know. Because I don't know if it would toast. You know what I mean? I don't mind this.
Okay. I like this Chalk Zero maple syrup. This is really good. You cannot get less on the carbs. Probably got like a 2 carbs for all of this.
Maybe we could have left it for like a couple hours if we had that much time to see if it would have made a difference with the absorption rate. But still, you're getting French toast vibes. It's 90% of the way there, 85% of the way there.
70.
85% of the way there. I'm impressed. This looks good. Look at that. Look at the brownie on that. If you guys make this and you try to toast it for a sandwich, can you let us know?
Sure, trying this by itself was slightly off-putting. Once you got used to it, you're like, huh.
Yeah, I
But
don't
it
think
is.
it's bad.
Would a person that is not keto eat this?
No. But I'm not talking to those people. I'm talking to the people that have been keto.
I think that you're really gonna like this. I did. I ate it. Oh.
And I'm only saving this for my husband, so we'll see what he says. Maybe I'll insert a little thing if he likes it or not. I'll see if Charlie likes it. You like it? Yummies?
Yummy? He liked it. I don't know. I mean,
He's not the best judge. Yes, he
What?
is. He doesn't eat carbs normally.
His Sarah has a keto dog.
No, he doesn't eat croutons. He doesn't eat pieces of bread. He doesn't.
Potato?
No, spits it out usually.
Really? Anyway, if you guys see any other 2-ingredient recipes you want us to try, or any recipes really, we are not limited to 2 or 3 ingredient recipes. Let us know in the comment section below. You cannot put links in there, but you can put what it is, and we can Google it. And YouTube seems to think that you're gonna like this video, so why don't you click on it, and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins,
Signing out.